Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Bybit. So let's get into the video. So open up Bybit. Once you have opened Bybit, log into your Bybit account. So once you've logged into your account here, so what we're going to do, I'm going to add your payment method on P2P transactions. So under Buy Crypto here, select P2P trading. So when you select P2P trading here, so now when this page loads here, so on your top right here you will see the user center. So simply click on the user center. Once you click on the user center here underneath, scroll down and you will see the payment method option. So if you want to add a payment method, so simply click on the add now option next to the payment method. So simply click on add now, and now what you have to do is click on the payment method option here. So this will pop up all the available options for you. So what you have to do is simply select any payment method that best suits you. So just choose any method that's best suits you. So for example, let's say probably a bank transfer. Okay, I'll just leave it to bank transfer, and then what I'm going to do here is just or just Paytm. That's pretty easy. So probably Paytm or PayPal. So I'll just say PayPal. So here PayPal. So once I select PayPal, so what I'm going to do now is simply enter my PayPal details, hit on confirm, and that's it. My payment method will be added. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.